Pure blue skies. And then, whoa. But right in this little corner, they're having a little party. Bowling, everything. Look at that. Right here, blue skies. No, look at this. It's like a summer day at the beach. And an inch this way, yeah. Kind of cool. I just want to go up there and see it face to face. Look at it. That is cool. What if I get electrocuted right now and die? Wonder if this footage would be worth anything. Fucking go viral. Why is lightning only going in these spots right here? Anywhere else you go, nothing. Blue skies. Look at this. Right here. And I don't understand that. Why is it only right there? Anywhere else in the world right now, it's basic. You go over here and it looks like, you know, you get what you pay for on this side. Why did I just see a UFO fly by? At 2 minutes and 30 seconds from the left across the right.